Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade pumpkin pie from scratch. First, combine 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt. Cut in 1 cup of cold, unsalted butter until crumbly. Gradually add 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice water, mixing until the dough just comes together. Form into a disc, wrap, and chill for at least 30 minutes. This ensures a tender, flaky base for your delicious pie. Now for the star of the show, the pumpkin filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree with 2 large eggs. Stir in 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, blend in 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk and 1/2 cup of heavy cream until smooth. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble. Roll out your chilled pie dough on a lightly floured surface to a 12-inch circle. Carefully transfer it to a 9-inch pie plate, trimming and crimping the edges. Pour the pumpkin filling into the unbaked crust. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for 40 to 50 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your pumpkin pie cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 to 3 hours. This crucial step allows the filling to set properly, preventing cracks and ensuring a perfect slice every time. Serve your homemade masterpiece with a dollop of fresh whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an extra special treat. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.